Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Ki prangut ki badan jingduna ki Dkhot met kin salit ban Mihkhmat na Meghalaya State Paralympics Association Shah National Powerlifting Champion arja apusan arpuhantiu ke ban selong hanong ba Dehradun Uttarakhand. Kini ki prangut ki ban salit Mihkhmat ki kintup na ki district Baper jong gajala ba kintup Udibi Star Shabong Utengran A Sangma Kamal Thapa Lucky Star Nong Dkhar ka Priska Pingrop ka Angelina Tinhyang ka Philisita Murthong ka Mitis Dona Shabong. Ya kani kecil kai lepnya the send off program uba cyber lang lingdo mauplang President MSPA habakadan hagani si uloi thu bakani kekinhun ka Meghalaya State Paralympics Association kelas dang ha ubnai yayong arja apusan dakbe thuru bah kecil yele kai dangshan bun ki belawan ra gold medal bat kiwe de ki kusnau nakaliang ukongsan ubadiru menteri bakmi yakatnat yele kai kajila ulai mensi mikini ki badan jingduna ki Dkhot met bagin sayo econom job bat wan ra burom mi kajila hi baro kawe ula ongru baka sarkar kan sashna kawe ke jakai yele kai kerpang tangi ki badan ki jingduna Dkhot met bagin yo ban penan kam la yoru ke jingkran uba HM shangplang ubadei unong aibut ke sarkar jila Hagani si ledon langru Vice President uba Danis Lindra, Secretary ba Jones Lamare, ki bahayi hasam mat kiwe de.
A national para powerlifting organized at the Paralympic Committee of India. At Kandil history, the state is lying Juni, ba ini kena Juni inyo ng simulta. Kanya tan simulta ya bayday ba ni ka Paralympics Juni. Ila senior kinga association na si tarik April acara pusam. Dia keting sehingga Juni ada di Basung, Pak Hima, penyadap ini, Pialong Chief Advisor Juni Merah Tertulis yang kam, buat nilai tidak kaya membahas South League Tournament. Hari ini tournament ilawan Nam, Burom, yang kejelang, Meghalaya Juni, Kamtam, Habai Day, buat ke North East Paralympics. State Juni hadir mengiyo ila State Paralympics kena iyo pensiun akan North East Paralympics 2025 kebolong agoti. Take a medal to iyo santli medal, santli gold, santli silver, santli bronze. Kita di medal pengi achieve akan Northeast Paralympics. But kawai keban kamsong tunat pelongba akan National Blind Football. Ilawan ra kaya winning team kebagi men's dari IBFF 9 men's and women kebaga jelang kejongi baik kena blind football kejongi ilawan ra team champion team. Dengan kemudian kamtam Isa wala Isa Shampliang berkunjung ia government ni kepada Arab berpikir yang ini kena kata platform bagi kita banyak awal kanong nakalian kajongi ni dapat kajing kemen ka bakraw bengiyo kung kini kiramba ibanan niya ladi kiba it ikalaway jongi kena sama kasi kemau ko kentien ka boong im kisama ke im kajay pamliyo yang ni kan bangai bagi inoy na kay para sa jongi banila Dkhot disabled athlete lawan lanam kat ni gajala Meghalaya Juni tim nomor 8 banong henry ngapiang subay PUA
yang Meghalaya State Paralympic Association yang mau yang berok tim berjumpa bah isu tu it's not easy once done especially at a very initial stage a lot of challenges mereka besok but in spite of all those challenges iba pilai Mihkhmat but me skill comment that within a short span of time Pila really have able to achieve so much. Kumbang ili osnyaw, but na like na kuaban congratulate ya gitu ki medal winners hakini ki mau leadership mental hakini ka North East Olympic Game, but Paralympic Game, but kunjuro congratulate ya ya kini ka football ya ka blind football team ba lalong champion po ka state ka jogi. The kejungwan kejungan mentas step hamni. What's your talk bakla? But we are doing any kind of favor to you. This is your right. Kadai hok jumpi. Everyone deserve to do whatever they like. Dengan I kumplay ya Chief Minister berdurung cumi. Kumba pilih I ba hakiki senem berakhir. Lada pipai haki nyau prasnem hostnem mensyur. Sports department usually along one of the minor department. Hardly 80 to 100 crores budget naga state mission. Ang bahaging alam jogi Chief Minister berdurung cumi. Mas no comment. The last year budget is 429 crores. 4 times what it used to be before. But nalor nanta ki naka central, kilayo ki infrastructure, ki bangiya tay nanta. Nado na grassroots level, menchua mostly ki infrastructure ki sa ki put by tang haposor, tang benta le pilay chat no bundang do. Kilayo ki infrastructure nado ki artificial football ground, ki futsal ground, ki indoor halls, but especially da ka jing la long every year ya ka Mekhalaya Games ki khon samla jogi ki yok ya ka opportunity ban showcase ya ka talent jogi. But nanta ter piloi menta next year ka Meghalaya can host ya ka national game. The only third state in Northeast, Hadeg Jomka, Manipur, Assam, Meghalaya, the only third state can host the national game. It's a big achievement. But kumbel piliyo nila ka jing pengkhay menta kalaya shay. But ka plan ka jongi mday bangsa ko tang haga national games. Ka plan ka jongi ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya ka ban kiu shapan hagi kam yelekay. But misay perkat ba kumno ba need encourage naman misyon to not only tang nagbanta ka infrastructure you don't come ka motivation ya ki athletes ya ki bahayan sen baro sikata niyo ba ikna jomi dang hagarta ka babyang kile kai ha tang ba at certain age ki here let me give one show in me show Mihkhmat panile kai why balay namar there is no sense of security ladang ayale kai la shisni ka bangan ang biang karata tangan ang la nile kai hadir bangan nala he karta ayuman le kamdan security nakata ka daw ka government ka perkhat ya kata nakata ka daw nagaliang jong sorkar lembaga sports department gilang pas ya ka Meghalaya sports person outstanding sports person direct recruitment policy a policy to mensua hawai ni don ka sports quota ya ki sports person ba to 2% sports quota kapati mod lana she's partly ki post artili in both na bantaki sports person. Then, what can you 2% ro? You have to fight among yourself. We happen yakon bone ki sports person. Kiba yeleka. Then, niyo iba kaduna ba? Nakata daw lengba ka de ka Meghalaya outstanding sports person direct recruitment policy. Mental na pi yeleka iba. Mihkhmat yang state haka national level. Pi yok man medal haka national Asian Game Olympic Paralympic nada piyo medal bronze silver gold any medal anda kilawan na they don't come show anda peer recruitment ro direct piyo ka I think it is worthwhile kata ka motivation lada yaki kemeki kepala ni what the athletes ro kinyo mensin mental mo kamod lada ka prepare ladi there is a security lada nga laban yelek kai la maban rak medal la shay teng nakata daw but Meghalaya mata ka shna lene it's building the biggest football stadium in the country bangwandra ndai ba ngin pha ya ki player jongi shabab ngin wandra ya ka football ka ba Meghalaya ka long ka football capital of India sekarang kembali ke construction kala jai kala stam mokan. But habang ile yang kita kini kata ini hapuban perkat ba side by side what we are doing for our Paralympic athletes also. That is namar kumang omni namar ni kumba ka direction ng chief minister. We take an equal platform to each and every one.
You understand the hearts of the young people of the state, and I'm sure under your dynamic leadership, you will be able to contribute and provide the best for these young people who are differently abled. They're not normal, but yet they have the spirit, they have the determination, and they have proven not just once, but many times. Therefore, sir, thank you so much for being with us. Aku por na sobat ai play budget Lisbon. So comment share bang I fit na marba ni kam ya na tinusyan na yang sarkar kantam na kanila department job with disabilities or na tip bang I kasyan ha ya ka association jungi bang I terpart fi bang ya kasyan ai kilan nang bar kini ki konsola jungi omdei bakin yo ya kilan tam ka jira ka hindre all other facilities that the government of Meghalaya has provided, Yapanta kini disabled persons, kiru kita baniyo pendala. Ia kata syariah ikon tidak boleh. Abjupor nasobat naik kuplay ya the madam your services has always been acknowledged just not by our young friends here but by the government as well. Hope that you continue with your service. Ya, I Basha, Jom Kaneka Paralympic Association, Ya Kinokit Kam Jom Association, Baro, Kiba Yatan Bata, Kiba Bata, but I'm the same, but the Trish Commission. Then I could play, the way, come to me if he athletes, Kibalaya Shajir, Ban represent Ya Meghalaya, but Niso sarong sisha. Hamani niyo yaki senior, yaki junior, yaki sub junior. Asokmen ba kaske jungi kamlet thali. Kamlet ban represent ya kani ka powerlifting championship ka balong Dehradun. Kani second send off, an official send off, a second time that we have already conducted. The first send off today of the Northeast Para Games, Hakaba Pilai Baha, Wandra had cut Santali medal, Santali gold, Santali silver, Santali bronze. Come day, clam practice, clam coaching, Pilai led, but you could, but Pilawara Ekanam, Yamutaka Javajuni. Ikmen, Papidon, who the same, Bangi group. Abang ipha madasi ba pinlet sa Dehradun. Pinlet dak mensem banyakun, pinlet dak mensem ban wanra ya jingjam, but pinlet ru dak mensem jingsmobit. Namalay, you need to be humble, you need to be disciplined to be a winner. Therefore, my dear friends, I'll wish you all the best. We'll pray to God that He will keep you safe. We'll pray to God that He'll take you, be with you throughout the journey. Hadu pin the poisok sa Dehradun, pin sahante, pin yakun, pin rakana, but pin manpai the pasok. But in way ang tajompi, but pin yoro yakimen katukol bakyan. We do not have anything else except our blessings and our prayers for you, and the rest is on you. I could play the escorts, Kiba Hayeng Bahasem, Kiba Leit Sinran, Kiba Hayeng Bahasem, Kiba I will save Yakiniki Kunsamajuni. Kidon Kilong Yeng, Habakio E, Kikon, Kiba Long Kumne, Kido Ursem, Fatisnova, Omdan Lacho, Hakaprotein, Nekumno Kikon. Ray, Ublay, Udon, the Jom Plan, the Jomfi. They have done. Come on, a soul more, but a soul question. But he done, he quotes some large me. Kiba, the Kai football, hello, Tatasa. You won't believe. They are champions in the country now. They are gold medalists. But the table syndrome, Imla, Hongate, Nagani, in your ya champion.